Hey everyone, it's your girl, Hey Planner Girl. Hey, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be looking at the July-August kit from the Planner Society, and let's get into it. So make sure you grab a snack, come on back, make sure you like my video please, and subscribe. So beautiful, beautiful green. I love the peony. That's what it looks like to me. And my bag is ripped, but that's okay. So we're just gonna open it this way and see what's inside. So let's see. All right, welcome back. So the first thing we're gonna look at is the paper. The first paper is this beautiful navy color, and it is just exquisite. It's radiating exquisiteness. Okay, no, but it is stunning. Like, it's not even a navy, it's just a really pretty blue, like a peacock blue, and then at the back is like pink leopard. Fun fact, when I was in my heavy metal phase, I used to search high and low for pink leopard anything, wallets, purses, charms. So there's that. The next paper is this pink plaid, and on the back again, so it's very Burberry. There's some brown tones, pinks. They're all very beautiful, like dusty roses and pinks and things like that. And on the back we have this gorgeous wood grain paper, and I love it. Like, it's beautiful. And again, they're either the peonies or David Austin roses. They are stunning. Great job, Christy, as usual. I love her paper. Oh, and yes, I meant to unsubscribe and I forgot to do so, so I need to do that. Here is a piece of acetate paper and vellum with gold foil. As you can see, I'm loving it. Here again, we have some vellum with the gold foil, and this time it's a little bit more simplistic. Flowers, it's not very blurry, it's beautiful. Over here, we have a piece of acetate in that leopard gold, rose gold foil. Then here is that plaid color, and there's little bits of paper attached to it. Do you see that little kind of like a raindrop or something like that? So that's really cool. And then last but not least, we get this really nice piece of glitter cardstock with the intricate lace cuts on it. And last but not least, these two pieces of paper, wow, with the blue maple, and that is just stunning. Absolutely stunning. Oops, sorry. There you go. So there it is, the blue maple and the pink. So that's pretty cool. Beautiful, beautiful sets of paper. Can't go wrong with Planner Society paper. All right, we have some puffy stickers. They are gold foil. I did notice my L is missing, unless it's somewhere in here for Gurl, Planner Girl. Either way, if I don't find it, I can just make an L. Easy peasy, but very cute puffy stickers. And then we get some trim, some lace trim, and it's again that beautiful peacock blue and dusty rose pink, and inside is that gold speckle foil. Put it here so there isn't too much glare. We get some beautiful pockets. Oh my gosh, love these colors. How beautiful is that? So we get this pink pocket, and it's iridescent paper, my friends. Like, oh my gosh, I'm loving the red. Love the red. My car is red. I have this thing with red right now. And my phone, wherever my phone is red at the moment. So, and I like this envelope. Stunning. Beautiful. Over here, we have those tabs. I love the sticker tabs. And in the back, like I said, Christy has now started using these new tab systems, and it comes with a list of stickers like that. Whoa, did you see that? That almost pulled out a whole bunch. And here they are. You can pause the video and check it out. They are all in gold foil. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Then we got some washi cards like so. So these washi cards are gold foil again. In my previous videos, if you have watched them, you know I don't use washi cards. I use them as bookmarks, or I'll put like a sticky note on them, but I don't want to put my washi around them, and to me I feel like I'm wasting my washi, so I like it like this. I just keep it like that as a decoration. And then what I just pulled out is a chunky stamp, and I don't know how to say this in the most nicest words. I am not a stamp person anymore. I have so many stamps, so many Planner Society stamps. I might try and sell them because I'm not a stamp girl. And if I do, I use them like once or twice, but it's not consistent, so they're just kind of piling up. But that's really cute. I've seen the same design before on the notepad, so there's that. We get a pen pouch, my friends, and it is that beautiful peacock blue with the peonies. How pretty is that? And the scallop edging to put your pen in. Also in this kit, we get a bunch of sticky notes. Oh wow, look at that. And I love the little detailing of the ribbon. So here's a little owl. Not a fan of birds, but this one's pretty stinking cute. And here's a house. And let's see. Yep, they are sticky notes, and these are... sometimes they are and sometimes they're not. These are sticky notes as well. So that's really good to see. So we got some of those. Here is the pen, by the way. Oh my gosh. Like, this is why I can't stop subscribing to the Planner Society. Do you see the pen? There is a cute leather white tassel here. And it is that beautiful pattern. And inside is so much sparkly joy. It is gold sequins. Sorry about that. Let's see if this will work. There are gold sequins. And they're iridescent. And it's just so freaking cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, and it's matte. It's matte like my nails, the tip of the pen. That's different. So here is this pen, very similar, and it is a glossy tip that you can see. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. This is absolutely a stunner. So, got that. Then we get this really cute owl paper clip, and it has embroidered flowers on it. Then we get these tabs in gold foil. I'm not going to open them, but from what I can see, the patterns are very... okay, fine. I'm just going to open them. There you go. So you can look at my other videos so you can see what's inside of each pack, but normally they all say the same thing. So that's really cute. And then we get some pen holders, which I love, and it's a sticky back, and look at them. They're so chunky and squishy looking, and they're bows. So these pen loops are perfect because you can never have enough pen loops, let me just say. All right. Not last but not least, but we got this beautiful washi. And I love the rose gold foil. There's gravity right there, guys. I just saw it. Did you see the gravity that it just fell? Anyways, but yeah, that's so cute. I love this. I really like this kit. I haven't liked a kit in quite a bit, so this one's a beautiful surprise. We're getting to my faves. And here we get a little pocket, and inside are those stickers. So let's see what stickers we get. Normally it's just a few of them. So let me just focus. Let's look at what we see. Oh my gosh, there is a little washi cart. Oh yes. And then a planner bag. Oh my gosh, there's the Planner Society box. Oh my goodness. You guys, big transitions are happening. So my husband and I were looking for a house. I'm so excited because currently we live in my condo and I can't like scream and things like that or like be really loud because I just don't want people knowing my business outside. And my planner room is right next to the door. So if you're always asking why, oh, your voice is so calm, and I love it. Thank you. Those compliments make me feel really nice. I'm extremely loud. I'm extremely loud and vibrant. It's just I have to like bring it down. Look at this little pom pom, so cute. And then planning. Oh my gosh, is that a foxy mug? So you know what that means? In the die cuts, there's a foxy mug. Let's go find it. So my favorite part of Planner Society are the die cuts. So I'm going to try my best to lay them out. I might just put them here so I don't lose everything. So we get an L. There's a little planner space. A squirrel. Oh my. Very fall. TPS girl. Beautiful blush. Look at all the washi tape. And then here is that Planner Society box. It's gorgeous. Here is a pencil pouch, which I did not get. I'm hoping I don't get one. I honestly don't know what I'm going to do with another one. Here's that washi cart. And then, what is this? Here's a little planner, and it says, every day is a fresh start. Here we have another planner and the pom-pom and a little paper clip heart charm thing, plate. And here's planner space. That's really cute. I actually have a vase like that, and mine is gold. Yes, a chunky squirrel. Look at him, he's so freaking cute. And then here's the little owl. Here we have those planner houses. And there it is. There's the foxy mug, and we get it in 3 tones. Ooh, I'm loving it. Look at the planner space. So stunning. Anyways, back to what I was saying was, my husband and I were now like looking at homes, so I'm stoked about it because, yeah, like I want my own planner space that I can be loud in. All right, let's look at these quotations. Mindset is what separates the best from the rest. You heard it here. Work hard and be kind, and amazing things will happen. And it's in gold foil. This one is in rose gold foil. Was this in rose gold or gold? It was in rose gold. Failure is success in progress. Eat, sleep, create. In a world of trends, be a classic. And last but not least, work until your idols become your equals. Wow. Amazing. So my friends, thank you so much for watching. I know this video was a little bit quick. I just don't want to be so long-winded with it, but you got a bunch of cute things and my light just went off, as you can see. So there we go. Sorry guys, here we go. So I didn't want to be very long-winded with it because I knew my laptop was going to die and my light. So anyways, thanks for watching. Thanks for coming by. I am going to cancel my Planner Society subscription. Maybe I'll do it next month, but we'll see. I love everything that comes in it. And like I said, Christy, if you are watching, I am waiting for a really, really thin tip pen like this guy. Please, 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 if you are watching, or any of her PR girls, I am waiting for a pen like this. Anyways, thanks everyone for watching. Please make sure you like and you subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye!